Hello guys, welcome to CH Forex. Today we analyze gold next move. Gold after long stay, my analysis is no bullish trend. I make daily analysis video. Guys, you want learn Forex to join my channel. I provide daily many signals free. If you are Forex trader, mostly join me on Telegram and subscribe my YouTube channel. I teach you very simple Forex tips. My Forex experience is 6 years. Please like my video and comments, tell me what you like my video. Goodbye everybody.